How to create presentations with Gamma AI. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to create presentations with Gamma AI. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you search for Gamma AI right here, you can see this Gamma app. So what you can do is you can just head over and click this link and then sign up to Gamma AI if you don't have an account yet. Now once you have created an account, you will see this thing right here. So this is your design partner, which is controlled by AI. So since you want to use or create a presentation, you can just click this presentation right here instead of document and web page. So click on presentation, and then they will ask you what presentation you want to use. So for example, you want to make a business presentation about cryptocurrency. So let's just send that and click this right here. Then after you have sent that, it will show you this right here. They will show you an outline. If you're not satisfied with the outline that they come up, you can just click on this try again. But if you're satisfied with that, you can just click on continue right here. And as you can see, you can pick a theme that you want. It can be these things right here that they have. So for me, I will be using this accent color. So you can just click on continue right here. And then this will load like this. And they will generate the presentation for you, so you can just wait for that until they have successfully created your presentation. As you can see right now, they're just in the slide number 3, right? So you can just wait for it to generate all the 6 slides that they have earlier. So let's just wait for it. Additionally, you can also use these things right here on the side. So you can add card templates, formats, cloth blocks, layout options, visual templates. You can also add images, embed videos, apps, web page, and forms and buttons. So as you can see, they have successfully created a presentation. You can now click on this to present it, or you can also click on this copy share link right here to share your presentation that you have created. So that's everything. That's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create presentations with Gamma AI. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.